YESHA and Tim, the world is entirely yours, and it is only you who will determine its rules. I'm sure you will build a loving family home, a safe haven, which will give you strength to withstand the storms and challenges of life ahead. On this journey, let me wish you only love and good fortune. Ladies and gentlemen, to YESHA and Tim, the bride and the groom.
For those of you who may not know me, I'm John Westbrooks, Tim's father. I would like to welcome each of you here tonight as we continue to celebrate Tim and YESHA's special weekend. Tim, perhaps the greatest lesson I've learned, if the mama's happy, the whole family's happy. Yep. I know Tim and YESHA understand some of the obstacles they will face in their journey as it begins. I cannot say it will be easy. However, I know you two are a perfect match and will be committed to each other. I love you both. Joanne and I both will be here for you along with Sudesh and Purnima to help in any way we can. Good luck with your new life and cheers to you both.
YESHA, I can't wait to see you. I'm so excited. I have no idea what to expect, but I know it's going to be great.
It is my pleasure to offer the hand of YESHA to Tim. So Purnima and I are requesting your son's hand to marry my daughter. What do you say?
We are honored to have YESHA into our family.
Grateful to have YESHA in our world.
We are grateful to have Tim in our family.
Oh my gosh! You look beautiful.
Look like a princess?
You do look like a princess.
Let me see you.
Princess YESHA. You look beautiful.
I like it.
Oh my gosh. I take your hand in mine for the attainment of prosperity and offspring. May you enjoy long life and happiness with me by the grace of God, and blessings, all assembled. You have become my life partner and wife. You are my lawful wife, and I am your lawful husband.
I take your hand in mine in pursuit of righteousness for the benefit of both of our families. I will stand by you. May we be provided with prosperity and offspring, and may I keep you splendidly radiant as the rays of the sun.
From here on, YESHA, you're starting a new chapter. You're YESHA Westbrooks, and Tim, you are my second son. Welcome to the family. We are offering the most precious treasure of our family to you. And I know John and Joanne and James and you are going to take great care of our little princess. Okay? So here we go.
We graciously accept YESHA as part of our family, but she is certainly still completely part of your family, and we are just happy to be able to share such a wonderful person. She has really, there's no question that she and Tim are the perfect partner, and we are just really looking forward to a great life ahead and all the things that come with that. So thank you for your generous gift.
Tim's my best friend in the world, and seeing you come into this family is something that's beautiful. When I watched you guys yesterday and today, I see the love that you have for him, and I know that you're going to take care of him, and he's going to take care of you for the rest of your life. So welcome to this family. I love you, and I'll do anything you guys ever need, but welcome.
Thank you everyone for coming. Really means a whole lot. This has just been the most incredible 2 days of my life. I thank all of you for coming, all of you for sacrificing time and energy and celebrating with YESHA and I. It's been great. I don't have a whole lot to say to follow up those two wonderful speeches. Sudesh, that was incredible. Outstanding speech. Dad, my dad's a tough guy. He's the toughest guy I've ever met. He told me one time, I'm not a tough guy. I cry a lot. He told me one time that he hadn't cried since he was 10, and I think he almost did, but he didn't. He held it together. So that just seeing that emotion and seeing how much passion he put into that really meant a lot. Another emotional thing, that's a funny story. The groomsmen, we were all kicking back, having a bourbon a couple days ago, and Hayden and Ragsdale made a bet. The bet was if Tim cries, then Hayden has to pay Ragsdale $20. Well, he's paid him $40 because it happened twice. So. Come on, you evil! In all seriousness, this has been just like the best 2 days of my life. Thank you all. I love YESHA more than anything, anyone in the world, and I'm the luckiest guy in the world. So y'all, thank you all again.
On the horse? She's never ridden a horse before! He needs to be careful!
We're gonna make our way up to the street.
YESHA, your mom and I are aware of just how blessed we are to have you, YESHA, in our lives. And we know you are aware just how much we love you and how proud we are of the lovely young lady you have become. It has been an absolute joy to watch a talkative, inquisitive little girl blossom into the very beautiful, intelligent, funny, compassionate, and extremely loving young lady, all of which will make her a perfect wife. Tim, I think you are a very lucky man. Growing up, YESHA was not perfect. She was stubborn and moody and bossy. I have a feeling some of you know which side of the family that comes from. Very soon she was developing interest in all the things the universe could offer. Dancing, acting, cheerleading, leading, softball, piano, traveling. Yeah, traveling. She wants to do 30 countries by 30. I think she's well over half of that target. at our expense. And so, Tim, we can't wait for you to take over.
YESHA and Tim, thank you for bringing us all together here tonight to celebrate your love. During the last 48 hours, if there's one thing that is certain, it is the love you have for each other. I'm so happy you found each other to share the joys of life with. I love you guys, and let's all cheers to YESHA and Tim Westbrook.
Fast forward some time, and Tim was still the first person to say I love you. And for those of you that really know YESHA, she doesn't say I love you unless she really means it. So when she called me and she told me that she loved him, I knew that he was going to stay for a while. Watching their relationship grow over time has been a pleasure. I've come to admire the kind and respectful relationship that they have created between each other. Even with their busy schedules, they leave handwritten notes for each other when they have opposite work schedules. So Tim's working nights, YESHA's working days, just so that they really don't have anything like an empty house to come home to, which is really sweet. That just shows you how pure their love really is. As a best friend, it's comforting to know their life is going to be filled with lots of cooking, camping, and cuddles. I love you both, and thank you for letting me be a part of this beautiful weekend.
Do you like the green?
I love the green. I love all of it. You look really good.
Thank you. I can't kiss you. I have lipstick on.
Yeah, we'll do that later.
You give me a kiss on the forehead.
Okay.
Do
Do it for a second.
This video, you can all wave and say hi.
It's like a cat.
No one touches the veil.
Considering you weren't sure what I should wear, where I should be, or what time I should be there for any of these events, I imagine I don't have too much to thank you for regarding the planning process. But in all seriousness, Tim, I do owe you thanks for being an incredible older brother and role model in my life. I spent some time reflecting on the 24 years I've known Tim and landed on 3 things that I think make him unique. Tim's selfless love for others, his gritty work ethic, and his openness to being who he truly is. For Tim, it was an individual state championship in wrestling. Although poised for victory in his senior year of high school, Tim ultimately fell short of this goal, losing in the state finals. Working hard is a way of life in our family. Stories here could be about Tim building his first 4-wide locker at 8 months old, or his athletic career. But perhaps more relevant would be his pursuit to become an orthopedic surgeon. Tim has never been mainstream. He likes to keep it interesting. He's not afraid to showcase his silly humor nor his dancing skills, as you're about to witness or have already had the pleasure of witnessing. He met the love of his life, YESHA, and has taken a culture he knew nothing about and passionately incorporated it into his own.